happy to be back. Narito na kami ulit sa Holland. After 3 months nga of being in the tropics, spending time with my family back home at saka syempre a family from North America at reunion kami. And also did a little bit of some business support to my son na nag-launch ng kanyang new business at of course, proud mom. So yan, so short go live lang ito actually at dahil nga ako ay busy sa pagpe-prepare now ng aking mga records for tax purposes at naisip ko na sobrang excited ako and instead na magsulat o mag-prepare lang ng mga notes and stuff, I thought I'll just switch on the camera and go live because why not? So yan, but I'm wondering bakit ginagamit ko to and I don't know anymore kung gaano na ba ako katagal sa aking live. Ano ba yan? May bago ba tayo sa StreamYard? Okay. So anyway, ako excited sa maraming bagay. I'm so excited talaga. Daming changes but lahat sila ay positive, lahat ay nakaka-inspire at lahat ay it gives me joy. Siyempre, business expansion, health ng family, schedule ng family. Now I feel blessed. So yeah, balik tayo dun sa sinasabi ko sa kanina na about ano ba ang difference ng fiscal year sa calendar year. As you know, by profession, isa po akong accountant. Dati sa Pilipinas, not practicing anymore here dito sa Holland dahil ako nga ngayon ay online business mentor. So, hindi na po ako nagpa-practice as an accountant. So, going back, alam niyo po yung difference ng calendar year sa fiscal year. From the accounting point of view po, ay syempre yung calendar year po starts from January to December. So January 1 hanggang December 31, yun yung calendar year na some businesses are using the calendar year for their accounting cycle. O yung sabihin na natin yung operation ng business nila starts from January 1 to December 31. Yun naman pong fiscal year na tinatawag, depende po sa operation ng inyong business. There are some businesses that are operating from March to February of the following year. In my case, dahil ako po, usually, kahit nung hindi pa po ako, even when I was not doing the online business, we would often go back to the Philippines during winter dito sa Holland dahil malamig masyado dito po sa Europe. Pagkatapos sa Pilipinas, yun po yung ideal na climate para po sa mga, alam nyo na, seniors. At ina-enjoy po namin yung time na yun. So we would usually go back to the Philippines December, January, February, ganyang period po. So, sa aking business po na nung Zumba, as a Zumba instructor and Zumba wear reseller, ang aking pong fiscal year would usually started during the time ng March at ang ending po niya ay February the following year. And just like ngayon din po, tingnan ko nga pala ulit kung ako ay naka-live sa aking page. So, ayan nga. Yes, naka-live pa ako. Bakit pala hindi ko siya na-share sa ano ko? Hintayin natin. Okay. So, eto na. Dahil nga sa aking digital business po na ginagawa, ang aking pong fiscal year ay nag-start ako ng March. So, March. So, parang ang aking business year ay nag-uumpisa lang dahil yung akin pong January and February ay nakabakasyon ako. Nakabakasyon physically at saka yung aking business activities po, ginagawa ko siya online. So it doesn't matter whether I'm at home or whether I'm on vacation, my business is ongoing, although I'm not physically doing it. However, kaya ko lang nasabi po na yung fiscal year ko ay nag-start ng March dahil mas active po ako pagdating ng March. Okay? So, ayan, dahil yun nga pong business na tinatawag natin, ay meron po kaming business automation. Na kahit alam nyo na po, hindi ako nagla-live o hindi po ako in touch with our team, meron po kaming system at saka meron na inaral po namin ito sa aming training. Kaya alam niyo po yung business na hindi kayo hawak ng negosyo nyo. That's what I really like about our business. The business that I own and not the business that owns me. Kaya sobrang saya po ako. I'm so blessed na nakita ko itong digital business na kasama ng aking team, mostly po dito sa Europe. And during the time na nasa Pilipinas po kami at nagbabakasyon nga, I was able to speak with new business partners. At yan din po yung isa sa mga naka-excite sa akin. Nasabi ko, dahil maganda yung business and I'm so proud that I am doing this business and it's actually like a calling. Dahil during that time, sabi ko, pangarap ko na gusto kong makapagtayo ng foundation para makatulong sa mga single moms because I was a single mom for a long time, for a period in my life at alam ko po how difficult it is to be, the breadwinner and a mom at the same time. So kaya sabi ko, ang aking calling at ang aking pong big dream ay makatulong sa mga single mom para hindi po sila kailangang mamili where to focus their energy and time on between being the breadwinner at saka being the mom, the present mom. So thank you po sa ating we are so lucky in this digital space. Alam niyo po, we have now the opportunity to earn a decent income and not giving up the time away from your family because of the digital because of the digital age. Alam niyo, we have the opportunity now to make income whether you're at home, you're traveling, and you don't have to sacrifice it and leave your children to the nannies dahil hindi po masamang magkaroon ng help, of course, but as a mom, you know the feeling of being present, lalo na po sa mga milestones nila or sa mga activities nila. And I'm sure when they grow older, they would really appreciate and they would remember that my mom has always been present. So yun lang po ang aking short sharing for today. And again, I want to share with you the excitement of being an online business mentor dahil marami po ako natulungan ng mga moms na young moms like me, may mga grandmoms din. And I'm just blessed na nakita ko ang opportunity na ito. And yes, I won't be shy to tell you how nice this opportunity is. Dahil hindi lang po ako. There are a lot of people that have experienced huge change. Maganda, a better life, and a more balanced lifestyle. Dahil they took the leap. Check this opportunity, guys, if you want new changes, if you want new changes in your life, kung gusto mong magkaroon ka ng additional income, I will not be shy to say, of course, when I started this business, it's because gusto ko magkaroon ng additional income, not for myself alone, pero I want to be able to help my children, of course. They're not expecting me to help them, but I like doing it. And I know that moms can relate that there's a different kind of joy when you're able to support your children kahit they're not relying on you anymore because they are now adults and living their own life and they're now raising their own family. So that's my short go live for today, and I'll probably see you again maybe tomorrow or the day after. And if you want to know more information about the business that I'm doing, I would like to invite you to log into www.vanjirocks.com. We have a free webinar You will get basic information there, and feel free to get in touch with me. And yes, of course, I will be so happy to explain further. So, okay, that's my short go live for now, and I am now going to continue having my coffee break. Vanjirax.com. Leave your name and email address and get in touch with me. I will be sending you the link, of course, to our free webinar. Take care of yourself, everyone. Bye for now.